Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So every year we try to give you guys a ginger video, and we planted these ginger back in, I want to say June. I know they've been down there for 5 months, but I wanted you guys to see how our ginger came out. And every year we usually don't do anything much. We just put down some ginger roots and we just let nature do its thing. And this is how it comes up. If you look right here, you can literally see the ginger. You can see them, like they just busting through the soil. So now I'm just gonna have to dig them out and put them all on the floor so you guys can bear witness what we do every single year. These two containers, I fill them up with ginger. So we're gonna take, oh, there's a worm right here. See it? What's up? All right, so we're gonna get the digging. So I have my little device here, my little shovel. So we're gonna dig out all those ginger and I'm gonna lay them out on the floor so you guys can see all the ginger. But, you know, we're gonna speed that process up. You guys already know. So let's go. Check that out. Check that out. See, this is the first one. I'm looking well. We're gonna keep moving on. All right, guys. So we took all of them out. You can see, and of course, a weed snuck itself in there. But this is the fresh ginger look. Oh man, this look nice. It even smell fresh. But I enjoy smelling the leaves. It smells so potent. But if you look on the ground, we got ginger over here. This container did really well. The other one, not so well, but I'm not complaining. Check this out, man. Come on. Check that out. That's pretty. You can't beat that. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna rinse them out and we're gonna put them to dry. This is really good stuff. So we just cut the leaf off of the ginger and now we're gonna wash them out. So this is what we harvest so far this year. And I must say, we did pretty well. It's pretty big, good ginger. We got a few. So we're gonna wash them out and we're gonna let them sit for about 3 to 5 days. We're gonna let them just dry out and they're gonna look somewhat like this after a while. They're gonna look a little brown and that's perfectly fine. And after you wash them out, don't get them wet again because they can get moldy and you don't want that. Put them in a nice dry spot and just leave them. You don't have to do nothing. Just space them out. Give them like 1 inch apart. Don't let them touch each other like that or else it won't dry right. Let them be spaced out like 1 inch by 1 inch and it should be perfectly fine. I like to keep this little sprout on. I think this look cool. I'm gonna wash it, put it on the table, let it dry out. But this is awesome. This little kid, Thomas, has made bagels. All right, let's go. Thomas just made bagels? That up. If you want, you can use a brush to scrub out the dirt, but I'm not doing that. Just running some rainwater over it and that should be appropriate for me. looking good, looking good. This is the one I want to keep. Alright. And you can make, listen, you can put ginger in just about anything. I love to put it in tea, and sometimes I put it in my stew chicken. This thing, you can use this root for anything, man. That's why I love to plant it, and especially around this season, fall season, a lot of us get sick around this season, so it's good to always keep this inside of your house. Make this with some lemon. Wow, water is freezing. Whew. I mean, you guys can definitely try this for yourself. It's not, it's not difficult. You get a nice pot, put it inside, and watch it grow. Alright guys, so we just washed the ginger out, and you guys can see this is our look. We clean them out, and we're just gonna let them dry, sit it in the sun a little bit, take them inside because tomorrow is gonna rain, and you don't want to get them wet. So yeah, man, this is pretty good, and we're happy about the harvest. And thank you guys for stopping by, take some time watching the video. We really do appreciate it. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one. We out.